and Aiden Clark from Exeter, and Abigail Poole from Coventry. Gate drops down. Clark's got the hole shot, but Straight looks like he's going ahead. Straight taking the lead in the first corner. It's Straight in the lead. Clark in the two. Centracchio, Poole, and Robinson. It's Clark back out in front. That's Clark and Straight battling. Who wants to transfer bad enough? Right now it's Clark, but the Straight have what it takes to transfer out. So it looks like Clark will transfer out, followed by Straight, Centracchio, Poole, and Robinson. A few new riders out there. Let's welcome our new riders.